In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a date calendar in Confluence. If you take notes, track deadlines, or organize projects in Confluence, adding a clear, clickable date is a simple way to keep everyone aligned. I'll walk you through it from start to finish and share a few tips so it feels effortless the next time you do it. First, open your Confluence site and sign in if prompted. Once you're in, head to the space where your page lives. Spaces are like folders for related pages, so pick the one that matches your team or project. You can get there from the sidebar or by using the search bar if you have a lot of spaces. Next, open the page you're working on and switch to edit mode. If you're not already editing, click the edit button at the top of the page. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the editing toolbar and a blinking cursor. Now, move your cursor to the exact spot where you want the calendar date to appear. This could be in a meeting note header, inside a checklist, or in a table cell. Placing the cursor first ensures the date lands in the right context without needing to copy and paste later. To bring up the insert menu, type a / on your keyboard. The / is Confluence's shortcut to commands and macros, and it's the fastest way to add structured content without digging through menus. Start typing the word calendar. In the results, choose the option that says add a date using a calendar. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can navigate with the arrow keys and press enter to select it. This opens the date picker right where your cursor is. In the calendar pop-up, select the date you need. Use the arrows to move between months, or click today's date if that's what you want. As soon as you choose a date, Confluence inserts it in line as a neat, formatted date tag. If you change your mind, just click the date again to reopen the calendar and pick a different one. You can also place your cursor elsewhere and repeat the same steps to add more dates throughout the page. That's all there is to it. You've added a calendar date in Confluence using the quick / command and the built-in date picker. With this approach, your pages stay clean, consistent, and easy for teammates to scan at a glance. Thanks for watching and happy documenting.